Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese donuts, step by step. First, gather your dry ingredients, 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 packet of yeast. Mix these in a large bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Then, let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Now that your dough has risen, it is time to add the star ingredient. Gently fold 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese into the dough. Next, roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thickness on a lightly floured surface. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Place these shaped donuts on a baking sheet and let them rise for another 30 minutes. With your donuts ready, it is time to fry them to perfection. Heat 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop 2 to 3 donuts into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. Remove them with a slotted spoon and drain any excess oil on paper towels. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your warm cheese donuts. For a sweet treat, dust them generously with powdered sugar. If you prefer a savory option, a pinch of sea salt works wonderfully. Serve your delicious homemade cheese donuts immediately to enjoy their fresh, warm goodness. This unique combination of flavors is truly delightful and a fantastic twist on a classic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.